Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold for 26 till 27 October. So let's begin. Here first analyzing the divergence or pointing out the divergence, the market is making a lower low from some around 1893 till some around 1890, and however the indicator which we can see on our screen is making a higher high from some around 23 till some around 30, thus showing us a divergence which is a regular bullish divergence as the market is making a lower low, however the indicator is making a higher low. Furthermore, on the screen you can see some price areas which we have marked. We can further extend this particular support trend line which we have seen that the market has been taking support. Here some around 1895 we did see the market did take support towards this particular support zone or support trend line which is drawn in green. Then on 13 October, on 8 October, on 15th October, on 20 October, and on recently 22 October, we have seen in quite a significant time that the market has been retesting this particular support zone. Now this idea reflects that this is a critical zone, and now what we can currently analyze when we zoom in, what we can currently figure out is that the market is currently testing this particular resistance area, which highlights the two possible scenarios: either a lower low momentum entering in the market, a retest towards this particular support zone. After a break of this support zone, market retesting the support zone in range of some around 1882 till some around 1880. Or if we see that the market did break above this particular support zone which have now turned into a resistance and the market closing above 1908, we can further see that the market could further advance towards testing this particular resistance area of 1914. Moreover, if we remove all of our drawings, let me remove that, we can also see a particular resistance trend line which would be some around made from some around 1929 till some around 1885. If we draw the support trend line of this particular resistance, we can highlight a pattern which is known as descending channel. Thus, for what we are looking for the market is the both potential scenarios. As we have highlighted earlier, we are retesting this particular support zone which could act as in both major support and major support zone. If we did see that the market did break through and a major resistance, if we see that the market just retest this particular support zone and the market falls back, this is the support zones. Let me redraw that. And furthermore, what we can analyze here is what we can further analyze is the market is also making a descending channel. If we remove this particular resistance zone and make this support zone, thus the market is making a descending channel. This is the resistance, testing the resistance, support, and again resistance. Now there are two possible scenarios which we would be looking to make some pips on the gold. Is that firstly we would be looking for long positions if we see a break through this particular resistance zone and the market closing above 1909 till 1914. taking a long position with our take profit of this particular support zone of somewhere around 1929, with our stop losses placed somewhere around 1898. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:2.14. Now coming on the possible sale scenarios, is that if we see that the market did retest this particular resistance zone and we have seen a fake breakout upwards, this is a trigger that we can further see a downwards movement in the market. Thus we would be placing our stop losses very contract or very shrink some around 1909, with our entry trigger point of some around 1905, with our take profit of this particular support zone. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.